Friends, as you know, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has always put huge emphasis on innovation. Here at IIT Madras, one major experiment, one major project has been taken up by some of the young engineers and the professors for developing a new Hyperloop. Hyperloop basically is like a tube, and this tube will operate. There will be a vacuum inside the tube, and the pod which will operate inside the tube, that will operate in a levitation mode, which means there will be magnetic fields which raise the pod over and above the tracks. It doesn't move on the track. It basically goes up, then moves. That is the principle of Hyperloop. This is at this point of time experimental stage, but very good results are visible now. I congratulate the team of IIT Madras and Avishkar for doing this experiment. I also thank so many industry partners who have participated in this entire thing. I thank the Education Minister, Honorable Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, and I thank our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for such big encouragement to this experiment. From Railways, we have been supporting this project for some time through funding as well as through technology, and today we have decided that the entire electronics of this project will be developed in ICF Chennai. ICF Chennai is very strong electronics team because they are developing very large electronics, large power electronics for Vande Bharat and many other train sets and engines. So they are capable of designing new smaller electronics which are required for this pod. This is the pod, and this pod basically will be the transporting mechanism, and this tube will be the transportation medium. That is the principle on which it will work. This is a good experiment showing good results now. Maybe in a few years from now, we should have a good working model. This point of time, this is one of the largest, longest tubes in the world. In Asia. This is one of the longest tubes in Asia. 400.
Another 40 more meters will become the longest.
Right now it is 410 meters. Okay. 410 meters. Another 40 meters will be added. Then it will become the longest in the world. So this is a good experiment, and I thank Professor Kamakoti sir, Professor Chakravarti sir, and all the young engineers. Guys, come over. Come. Team Avishkar, come. Putting so much energy in this. Give them a big shout out. Good.
आप लोग इधर आओ।